And poop rolls downhill.
Yeah.
It's just not worth it at the end of the day.
That was the whole point of us doing full-time RVing, is to take chances, to
try new things.
We just want to be able to enjoy our life, and that's the whole purpose of us doing full-time RVing, is to enjoy our life and to enjoy each other. So that leads into
Hey guys.
Welcome back to
Rolling with Sanchezs. We're a family of 6. We travel full time, but currently we are work camping
in Louisville, Kentucky.
And we've been here for about 5 months, 6 months, 5 months.
Yeah, almost 6 months.
Yeah. And I think
you guys have seen us me go back and forth so the kids can finish out school.
Yeah, and I stayed here and worked.
Yep.
And yeah.
So this hasn't been an easy decision for us, but
the time has come.
We made a big decision. Huston is gonna step away from his work position, his work camping position. He just gave us 2 weeks notice, so around the end of July we'll be going somewhere else.
So if you guys are gonna want to see that, like, subscribe, show our friends, because it wasn't an easy decision. And
so you guys are gonna ask why, and obviously we're gonna be honest and transparent with you guys, because we always are. We never try to hide anything. We don't sugarcoat anything.
The ugly,
the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. We just tell how it is.
And so there's a lack of leadership.
Yeah.
Not higher up, but
but there is lack of leadership
in the work camping environment.
Yeah.
Which causes like stress on our family, and
not just our family, a lot of the families. And
I don't know, I'm from the military, so like you can't supervise somebody until you get like adequate training. And so that's what kind of bugs me about the whole situation, is you can tell when somebody has had supervisor experience or has had training and someone who has not. And you don't when you're a supervisor, you don't want to belittle somebody or make them feel less than. You want to like build them up and give them like tasks that make them feel like they're like actually being useful and like rewarding, or not talking condescending, not being passive aggressive. And so like that makes it hard to work at a place when it's like that.
Poop rolls downhill.
Yeah, that's why we made this decision to leave now, because we don't want it to be hostile, and we don't want to leave hating people, and we don't want to leave. We want to be able to come back here, and he still wants to be able to see people that he's made lasting friendships with. And so that's the biggest thing, is we don't want to leave and be like, screw you, you know what I mean? Like we want to leave on good terms, and we want to. Sorry, we use a GoPro, and the GoPro kind of sucks sometimes.
So if you guys have any recommendations on the new camera to use, let us know in the comments down below, because ours is currently taking a poop, literally.
So we're going to be as professional as possible and not name names, and just say that there's a lack of leadership and a lot of drama that we don't want to be involved in anymore. So that leads into Huston a month ago met someone at the campground.
Yep. And
was offered a pretty awesome opportunity.
And we definitely did some thinking on it. We didn't just...
So that's why you guys haven't found out about it for a while, is because we thought about it. I mean, it's a big deal to move your family across the country and change up your plans real quick. But
we are full-timing, and
that was the whole point of us doing full-time RVing, is to take chances, to
try new things, try different things.
Yeah.
Go different places we've never been,
Huston will work his butt off. Huston will work his butt off for a company and let them use and abuse him and just continue to work, because that's how he is. He just works. And I feel like he has more to offer somebody than just being strong or being fast. He has a lot more to offer. He's really good at trade. He has a lot of experience, and I don't feel like it's being utilized here. And he just is getting more and more frustrated. It's starting to overflow into family life. When he has time off, he's sleeping because he's tired and overworked. We just want to be able to enjoy our life, and that's the whole purpose of us doing full-time RVing, is to enjoy our life and to enjoy each other and him not be tired as heck, and him being able to enjoy what he does too. And you know, he does enjoy the people and the everything that he does here, but there's just some of it is just
not worth it at the end of the day. And
you shouldn't have to feel like you're being babysat when you're almost in your 30s. And we're not going to name names, and we're not going to put down the company, but that's why we wanted to be honest with you guys, because we're not going to just be like, oh, we left. Well, there's a purpose behind why we left. He got a good opportunity, and
we've been sitting on it for a while.
Yeah.
So I am beyond excited to start this new opportunity.
When you get an opportunity like this, you can't really that's like Huston said, if you don't, what did you say? What ifs?
What if? Somebody told me, and it's going to stick with me for the rest of my life. And whoever told me this, I know who told me this. But, I mean, he's just smart. He's just good at what he does, and he does a lot of stuff. And, yeah, he said, hey, the biggest thing that is going to eat you alive is the what ifs, and that's just your day-to-day, or it could just be a life-changing moment. So if you do not take this opportunity, what if?
And that was the whole purpose of us going full-time is, you know, there's jobs everywhere. There's 50 states in the United States that we can go wherever the heck we want to go and do whatever the heck we want to do. And if an opportunity doesn't look good, or if, I don't know, if we both agree that Huston's not being treated fairly or worked fairly, I mean, it's time for us to
try something. Yeah, always be somebody I talk to or text every now and then.
But what's the saying? It's not always
flamingos and pineapples. Or it's not always pineapples and flamingos. How does it?
Pineapples and flamingos. It's flamingos and pineapples. It's not always flamingo and pineapples.
And I believe that I got a job opportunity that was it just happened. I mean, the puzzle pieces just fit together, and it just seems like it's gonna be a good fit, a lot better work environment, kind of I don't know, just somebody that I could learn a lot from, and just take this opportunity, work for this company it seems just like a good deal. It was just so I think God or somebody sent it, and I was just fortunately blessed with it. And
so Huston and I are never the type of people that won't take a chance, and I'm in my early 30s, Huston's 29, and so we both are younger. Yeah, our kids are a little bit, they're in school, but we did this to take chances,
try new things,
have different experiences. So we aren't going to be stuck somewhere, especially if it's starting to affect our family. It's not fair that Huston has to be angry, or Huston has to feel like he's exhausted and has to use his time off to recoup. That's not fair to our family. And so it's nothing personal. It's just we started full-time RVing to be able to do literally nothing is holding us back. We could go anywhere in the United States and we could do a job anywhere, but he got a really good opportunity, and something that
with this job opportunity I can still almost work anywhere.
No, we're really excited. Huston honestly was getting job opportunities every week when he would talk to somebody, so it wasn't something that was better. And I don't know, it was just out of the blue, and he was really super excited about it, and I'm never gonna hold Huston back from anything. So if he wants to take the chance, we're a family, we're gonna take the chance, we're gonna go, and you guys will see where we end up.
So long story short, I got this job opportunity. I just met the right person, the right time.
Yep.
I was just lucky that day.
Yeah.
And I'm very blessed. And And I went home. I was excited. I did. I went home. I talked to Olivia, and I said, you know what? I want to see if he was serious, and so I went back, seeing if he was serious, and he was serious. But I also do want to say thank you to Olivia for always supporting me, always backing me, telling me when I'm wrong or when I may be right. But
the biggest thing with Huston is he doesn't value, like, he has so much to offer somebody as a worker. He has so much to offer, and his whole life he's been used because he's strong or used. And he's actually a really smart guy, and he could build you anything. He's electronically inclined. This guy, he's good at trade. He could do anything trade. He's good. And people use him, and it's frustrating as his spouse to see somebody use him and abuse him, because when he's older, I would like to enjoy our time together and not have him be broken down and have a bad back or bad knees.
But we enjoy our time now.
But I'm just saying, like, there's more to life, and now that we're going into our 30s, like, he needs to think of long term and not just. Huston will freaking power through anything. I don't know.
And if you push, I push back twice as hard.
So I think we were at the point anyways to where we want to break ties, because we never want to leave a place. Like, even when he quit HVAC, he still communicates with everybody. Like, he's never left a job and left somebody pissed off at him. There's a few situations where you bump heads with personalities, and that's fine, but he's never left a job where people completely hate him. He's best friends with his old boss. He talks to the general manager kind of person at his old job. He could go freaking, like, camp at their house if he wanted to. Like, he keeps his relationships, even if he leaves so that's why we left here. That's why we chose to leave, is because we don't ever want to, like, be where we, like, it's like hostile or
no. And it's not everybody, and it's not just one specific person, and I mean, there's a lot of people from just a lot of people that work hard here, and we're gonna try to videotape all the people that want to be involved.
He's gonna say goodbye, and he's gonna do a goodbye video to all the people that he's met and created a relationship with in this past I think it's like 6 months now, right? And I don't know, it's hard for him to leave. Houston's a people person, so it's hard for him to leave, but it's a really good opportunity. And it's perfect timing because Carter got into a really, really, really good program with a prestigious college or university. It's a preparatory school for a really prestigious university. He's going to be in honor classes. He's in 8th grade, but he's going to be taking 9th grade courses, honor courses. I'm super, super freaking proud of my son. Like, there's nothing else I could really ask from him. He's doing phenomenal. We have our little teenage moments where we want to wring his neck, but I mean, he's a good freaking kid. I look at him every day and I'm like, me and Huston did pretty good raising him. He's a good freaking kid.
They always ask me,
he's a good kid.
He? And I'm like, well, I tell him he's 13. He's a good kid. Yeah, he is. But what's he want to do when he gets older? I said, I have no idea. I have an idea.
He wants to do engineering. Like, he's been looking into engineering, but his dad passed away when he was 3 or when he was 5. So his dad and I were in the Air Force. He wants to be in the Air Force Academy. And I mean, that would be kind of cool for me in Huston because we're going to still full-time RV. We could go to the Air Force Academy because I can still get on Air Force bases or any bases. We can go, hey, Carter, and mess with them a little bit. Honestly, I don't care what he does. That kid is so freaking smart if he sticks to it. Yeah, so he got in a really good program. He doesn't start until the middle of August, so it's like perfect timing for us to move, get established somewhere. Yeah.
Get everything set up
and figure it out. Yeah.
And just take this job opportunity and run with it, and that's just, yeah, I'm excited to start. I'm definitely ready to kind of just wrap things up here, and
yep.
Yeah, just so you guys come along with us, like, subscribe, show your friends, and come along with us on this
Yeah.
journey, see where we
Because we're not
go.
going to tell you guys where we're going, and we're not going to tell you what company because we want to respect them and their privacy, and we don't know where they want us to go with it, and so we're going to respect them.
They do.
We're pretty
I'm
excited.
not too sure.
We're pretty excited.
But you guys are going to want to stick around. And yeah,
Yep.
this is a job opportunity of a lifetime, and I am ready. So like, subscribe, show your friends. Don't miss out. Hit that follow button. Stick around. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hearing us out. But until then, catch you guys on the next one. Later.